Hi, Jessie Peeps! I'm Gladys Ayoste and I'm a fashion designer. I'm from Maragusan, Davao de Oro.
Hi guys, Ron here. I am a fashion designer and a content creator as well.
Hi, I'm Paitaniana. I'm a career of Obra Alta Store. We're here now at Bistro Alabang. Let's have our favorite macaroni.
Meron sa bag ko.
And so guys, I would like to share you what's inside my bag. So here.
What's inside this bag? Madami.
Hi, Jessie Peeps! I'm Gladys Ayoste and I'm a fashion designer. I'm from Maragusan, Davao de Oro. And my aesthetic is, I'm more on avant-garde streetwear. So, yun, kasi yun naman talaga yung usual outfit ko since bata pa. Right now, Miss Jack wants me to show ano daw meron dito sa bag ko. Anyway guys, yung bag ko is walang kasi nga pinabagay daw dito daw sa pag-styling ng outfit ko ngayon. Anyway, my outfit is designed by Strategy. So it is Pearl or the Orients. So anyway guys, this is my bag. Ano ba naman ang bag ko? Di mawawala yung power bank. Kasi, di ba, every time nagwa-watch tayo ng fashion show, nag-a-attend tayo. So, video, photo. So, kailangan natin ng power bank para meron tayong backup na charge. Then, lippy. Ito yung favorite color ko. And then, natatawa ko dito.
Okay lang.
Merong pangano ng false lashes, pandikit. And then, wala lang, ba't nasali ko dito? Ano to pang glitter sa eyes? And then, hindi mawawala yung lalagyan ng contact lenses, may extra ako just in case mahulog yung then ito yung lalagyan. And then cell phone, I have 3 cell phones. Yan. And then, ano pa ba? Ito, blush on. So, yun lang. Wala akong wallet tsaka cash kasi nasa phone na yung cash na. So, hello blue. So anyway guys, this is my anong tawag na to? Purse ba to? So anyway guys, please do follow Miss Jack's YouTube account and please do follow her on FB tsaka sa IG. So, and please guys, don't forget, please do follow me on IG, Gladys Ayoste. So, makikita nyo po dun yung mga designs ko and my aesthetics, and hopefully, also, you can do message me if you want to, alam niyo na, mag-order, magawa ng streetwear, and let's talk about it. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, Miss Jack, and thank you.
Hi guys, Ron here. I am a fashion designer. Audio Jungle. And a content creator as well. Jack is going to link my channel over here, down below. So guys, what I have here, I would like to share you my bag for today. So I love this bag. This is a vintage Louis Vuitton Alma PM. I love, of course, the material. The material is epi leather, color is noir, in gold hardware. I purchased this one from Japan. So guys, before I show you what's inside my bag, I'm so proud with the trinkets, with my bag charms, because currently I am so obsessed with anything Pop Mart, especially Labubu. So the very first bag chart is the Monsters X Coca-Cola series. So this is a limited edition Labubu. As you can see, this is the Habsy version. And then we have a puff ball over here. I purchased this one when we went to Taiwan. And we have Space Molly over here, figurine. And then, of course, I added some shade on my Alma PM so that I can wear this one as a shoulder bag if I get inside. So, guys, I would like to share you what's inside my bag. So, here we go. So, guys, by the way, the size of this one is PM. So, it's very big. It's not the usual Alma BB, which is a little bit smaller. So, this is what's inside my bag. There. So firstly, guys, I would like to show you something unusual inside my bag. But these are the contents that I normally bring whenever I will be going out. So of course, I have my bag. So I really need this bag because of course it's very humid here in the Philippines. I have a very small umbrella. I have this one, recycle. What do you call this one? A tote bag, a reusable tote. So for example, I would be purchasing something, and then next I have my product, Sunnies. It doesn't have any case anymore. I have my 2 cell phones. So this is the one that I normally use, and this is for my where I edit my vlog. So whenever I travel, if there's an extra time, I would be editing some work over here. And then I have, of course, my Calvin Klein mini perfumes. It's by Escape. It's because we love to eat at some good stuff, or sometimes we are going to smell of smoke. So definitely you need to look fresh. And then of course some wet ones. I have of course my YSL card holder, so it carries everything, my cards, cash over here. I have this one. So of course I'll be removing all my jewelries, if for example going here and before going home. And then before I wanna share the content of this one, I would like to share to you. Wait, last but not well, another one would be my coin pouch. So this is where I put all my coins. This is by Emmanuel Ongaro Paris. I thrifted this one, guys. It's made of lambskin leather. And before I share the content of this one, this is one of my brand partners in my channel. It is by Zumoni. So this is them. So Zumoni.com. I have a coupon code. I would give it to Jack. So just in case you would like to purchase a Zumoni bag organizer, just use my coupon code and you are going to get, if I'm not mistaken, it's 20% discount. So the bag organizer is this one. So it you can customize your bag organizer, the color, the contents. Like this one, they gave this one for me for free, and so many added features. And then this one, this is constantly on my bag, whether it's a big or small bag. So what's inside? So of course, I have my oil control film, my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This was gift by Jenny. Thank you so much. I have sample perfume. I have mint. So this was gifted by our dear sister Yuki. And this is the latest one that I would like to show you. I purchased this one from Japan. Sorry. So this is my Chanel compact face pouch. So these are the contents of what's inside my bag. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you. With the Zumoni organizer.
Hi, I'm Paitanyada. I'm a couturier of Obra Alta Costura. We're here now at Bispo Alabang. Pero dami-daming memories ni Ate Jack sa Bizo Green Belt. Ang dami-dami kong creations na gawa din. Let's have our favorite macaron. Aesthetics ko is more on bridal formal wear, yan, mga bespoke pieces. in-encourage ako ni Ate Jack to get out of my comfort zone to join a fashion show which is kay Mike Tagle Fashion Runway Manila Pinoy. So yun, di ako nag-gown this time pero yeah, nag-showcase ako ng resort wear. So, ayun, I hope na full off ko naman. What's inside this bag? Madami. So, isa-isayin na natin. Ito pala ang bag na ito. It's authentic leather. Gifted to me ng churchmate ko na dapat brand niya. Kaya, walang nakalagay kasi dapat may brand siya dito. So, yun. What's inside my bag, syempre? My favorite phone. Sunglass by Dior. Lagay ito sa outfit ko. Eyeglass. Kasi, for the details, power bank, and then, alam niyo ba ang kating ko na alcohol? Okay. Zara. Siyempre, mihika ako. So, may symbol ko. It happens for oil. Ito yung dalang favorite lip because of the moment. Nicole Miller and yung Maybelline. Tapos, syempre, may earbuds. As a fashion designer, diba? Couture nga. So, hindi dapat mawawala itong may tape measure. Syempre, kailangan may balm, mint balm ng efficacy. Kung may power bank, may keyboard. Hand cream, dalawa. Nail cattle. So, meron ako ditong mess. I have the Paraset, for my vertigo, Buscopan, and Montelux. Siyempre, hindi dapat mawala yung favorite nating tissue dyan. And, ini wipes. Yun, CC cream. Old case ko ng Face Shop, pero pinapalitan ko na lang siya ng mga refills. Meron pa akong liner. Meron ako yung pen. Yung isa is magnetic pen for the sun. Okay. Siyempre, ito favorite ko. And ito, my Kate Spade. Well, yun lang. That's in my bag.